Is your iPhone flash not working after the latest update? In this video, I'll show you an easy way to fix it without any hassle. Follow these steps to fully resolve the issue. Let's get started. Step 1. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Now once it again, turn it on to check if it's working now or not. Step 2. Check for software updates. First, open your phone's settings, then tap on General, then go to the software update. If an update is available, install it. Apple often fixes these bugs in new updates. Step 3. Turn off content and privacy restriction. Again, open your settings, screen time, content and privacy restrictions. Then toggle it off. Sometimes restrictions interfere with the flash. Step 4. Refresh the flash in Control Center. Swipe down from the top to open Control Center. Tap and hold the flashlight icon. Then slide it up and down a few times to see if it comes back. That's all for now. Swipe down and try the flash again. It should work perfectly. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.